Hi guys, I'm Grace. This is my garage. Let me show you around. So I'm a content creator. I absolutely love cars, modifying them, building them, going to shows, and I'm going to show you around my garage. So we've been in this space for about 10 years. I actually share the garage with my dad, and it's where we keep our car collection. We absolutely live and breathe cars, so it's great to have a space where we can modify them, we can work on them, but it's also a great space for me to create content. So this is my detailing station. I spend a lot of time going back and forth from here during show season, getting the cars looking nice and shiny. There's parts and consumables in here, but then we've also got my track tyres, which haven't been on the car yet, but I'm hoping to use for my first track day. Over here, we've got more parts, more storage, including some of the stuff that came off my Civic that I just can't bring myself to get rid of yet, just in case I need anything. We've got the tool chests here, which are really handy to move around, means I can work anywhere in the garage. And this one here actually is lime green to match my dad's first ever supercar. This car actually has a really special story. I got this when I was 13 years old. My dad traded it for a mobility scooter. It's really, really special because it's the first car that we ever worked on together, so it's never going anywhere. When we were renovating the space, we had this big light panel put in, which is an absolute game changer for me with content, detailing the cars and working on them. So I needed to get some new wiper blades. Luckily, it was really easy because I used eBay Assured Fit. You just enter your reg, all the parts that fit your car come up, and then if they don't fit for any reason, you can just return them for free within 30 days. So let's get these on the car. This car is 30 years old and I didn't expect to be able to find an alternator for it. Luckily, eBay actually had a brand new one, which I was really surprised at, but where else would you find parts like that? Another reason I love using eBay is that I can check the reviews of both the products and the sellers. It just means that I know that I'm getting good quality parts, like this bulb here. So I'm gonna go for a little drive, test these new headlights, so I'll see you later.